Hi guys, what's up? Today we are at the Saffron Company stall at Noosa Farmers Market, and I'm gonna try to bust the myth on saffron being expensive. So here, where people are walking by and looking at our products, 99% of them would say, "Oh, saffron, that's the stuff that is really expensive." But in fact, saffron is not that expensive. Here we have three items in front of us: turmeric, saffron, and ginger. Now, if you're making a dish for two people and you're about to use any of these three items, these are the portions that you're going to need. And when you compare a good quality saffron, not the cheap stuff that you buy in the supermarkets, but the good quality saffron, you only need a tiny bit, which is about 50 cents worth. And then you got $1 worth of ginger and $1 worth of turmeric, which you will need in a dish for two or three people. So in fact, saffron is not the expensive item here. Saffron being expensive is only a myth. And I hope people will take a minute to think about that and stop by and try some of our beautiful products, because saffron being an expensive product is pushing them away and not letting them enjoy this amazing flower.